climate change is a substantial problem in the capital of New Jersey, Trenton.
Factors such as the average annual income and the percentage of people living below the poverty line influence this issue. The median household income is $41,715, and 24.3% of people live below the poverty line.
There's a great deal of evidence of climate change in Trenton. For example, Trenton is affected greatly by air pollution and poor environmental conditions. Trenton experiences about 100 days per year of moderate or unhealthy air, causing residents to have an increased risk of respiratory disease.
A greater increase in temperature causes the moderate and unhealthy air to be more harmful, and a greater increase in precipitation adds to the negative effects of unhealthy air. As a result of precipitation, houses can be ruined, cars can be swept away, standing water becomes highly polluted and unsafe for residents.
In order to reduce the impacts of climate change on Trenton, residents of Trenton should plant more on the ground and on rooftops, which will sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, increase oxygen production, and reduce flood effects.
As shown before, Trenton is almost completely covered by commercial, residential, or school property. This leaves little to no room for any green land such as grass, trees, or crops. This also means that the land is not very permeable, which exaggerates flood outcomes.
By planting more trees on the ground, precipitation runoff will be decreased, therefore reducing flooding. According to the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, leaf canopies will help reduce erosion caused by falling rain, while also providing a space where rain can land and then evaporate. Tree roots also take in water and help promote infiltration.
By implementing more green roofs, more water will be absorbed before it hits the ground when it rains. According to the EPA, the layer of plant material on roofs absorbs water like a sponge, and with this captured water, the plant material then slowly releases it through evaporation and plant use. Green roofs can be used in urban places where other stormwater reduction practices are limited due to a lack of space.
We will implement our plan starting in April of 2024, and our goal is to have the local climate change issue addressed and positively changed by January of 2030.
Residents of Trenton will be taking some action by using their own homes. Willing residents will allow companies or even themselves to plant rooftop gardens on their homes.
Residents will also help take action by taking better care of their lawns and by advocating for different land use such as environmentally friendly parks and public gardens.
City officials and the New Jersey Chamber of Commerce can advocate to get the addition of green roofs mandated for the city. They can explain how beneficial the addition of green roofs is for the reduction of climate change and how this is an easy way to help.
With all of our efforts, we hope the effects of climate change in Trenton will be reduced greatly.